Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to compress a video file online for free without installing any software. I have an MP4 video file that I want to reduce in size. For this, we're going to use a free online tool called FreeConvert. First, open your browser and go to FreeConvert.com. On the left side, you'll see the menu. Click on it. Select Compress, then go to Video and Audio. Choose Video Compressor. Now click Choose Files and select from Device. Select the video file you want to compress. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see the video listed on the page. Now click Compress Now. The website will start processing your video. The time required will depend on the size of your video and your internet connection. Once the compression is finished, you'll see the download option. Click Download and then choose Save to Device to save the compressed video to your computer. That's it. You can now check the new file size and compare it with the original video. So, if you want to quickly reduce the size of an MP4 video without installing any software, this free web tool can be very useful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.